In this video, I will be telling you guys how to use the customized email template in the Brevo, how to add buttons and images, and how to use the template in the Brevo. So for that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. First thing first is that click on the link in the description and you will be redirected to this page. Once you're in this page, log into your official account, then navigate yourself to the marketing tab. The marketing tab, click on campaigns, and if you already have begun a campaign, then go ahead and click on start designing. For example, for the subject line, I'm just using test, and for the preview tab we're using testing, just like that. And we're going to save it, and then we are going to start designing. So there are some safe templates, there are some basic templates, there are some ready to use templates. So if we are going to go ahead and click on ready to use templates, you can see that there are a bunch of ready-to-use templates available on the Brevo, but there are some basic templates as well if you want to customize it according to your own needs. But we're going to use a template that already have an image. But if you want to use a basic one, we can do that as well. It's pretty much same. So go to the template, click on it, and you on the left-hand side you will see that there is an image option. This is sort of a widget. You just have to put it somewhere where you feel like that it should be belong here. Then upload the image that you want to upload. For example, I'm gonna upload an image from here. Second, I'm gonna upload this image. It's just for the testing purposes, right? So I just uploaded this image. I just say insert, and then the image will be inserted. It says the image is too large, it may take longer to load, but it's still uploaded right away here. So anyways, this is the way to upload the image. For the title, for the text, you have these options. In order to add a button, you can add a button in it. So call to action, you can name it subscribe or anything else. You can change the color, change the style, refine it, change the font, anything that you want to do. Other than that, you can add all the dividers, spacer, navigation, the HTML, and all the stuff. Once it's ready, all you have to do is to preview and test it. So in order to test the email, just select the contact that you want to test. And send the email. Once you send the email, for example, like this, you will see that how would they be able to see it. So this is how to preview it, and then in order to send it, just use the email that you want to send and then click on send button. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.